How to save and share your Snapcode on Snapchat. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to save and share your Snapcode on Snapchat. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm currently on my Snapchat application, and make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply select your profile icon at the top left corner just like this, and here you should see your account QR. So just tap on this QR, and as you can see, it will automatically show you all of your details like your name as well as your QR code. So whenever your friend scan this directly, or you can also send the link by simply tapping on this third option, that is share my profile link. And to save your QR code, you can basically click on this second option, that is save to camera roll, and it will be automatically saved to your camera roll just like that. So if you want to share your Snapcode, basically tap on this first option to share your Snapcode using different social media platforms such as WhatsApp, Instagram, Instagram Direct, Twitter, Messenger, Facebook, Telegram, Viber, Discord, etc. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.